We're looking at some exercise question, okay? And we have a question here. If tan theta is 3/2, and then the range of your theta is between 0 and 90, evaluate sine theta and cos theta. So what we do, there will be two ways to these questions. We can draw the rectangle triangle, or we can also use identity. Let's see the one that connects. You can use this one, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Okay? And don't forget that sec is what? 1 over cos. So from there we can get the cos. Okay? So this is equal to 1 plus. Okay? Please take your pen and also be following as we are going. Take your pen and your paper. So this one, tan theta, we have the value, that 3/2 square. So let's get the value. And that will be equal to 1 plus 3 squared, 2 squared. That's 9 over 4. And that's equal to 4 plus 9. That's 13 over 4. That's this. So sec squared theta is 13 over 4. Okay? That's what's meaning of sec. Sec is 1 over cos. 1 over cos squared theta equal to 13 over 4. Okay? So if you reciprocate that, so cos squared theta will be equal to what? 4 over 13. Okay? And cos theta will be square root of this. Cos theta will be 2 over root 13. 2 over 13. Cos. Okay, we are looking for sine now. So I think it's much easier for us now. We can get the sine from this identity that cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1. So let's make the sine the subject. Sine squared theta equal to 1 minus what? 1 minus that cos squared theta. And that's 1 minus 2 over root 13 squared. And that's 1 minus 2 squared is 4 over 13. When you square radical, the radical will go. So this will be equal to 13 times 1. That's 13 minus 4. That's 9 over 13. 9 over 13. So sine. So that's our sine squared theta is 9 over 13. Can you take square roots? You take square roots. You're going to have sine theta. That will be equal to 3 over root 13. Okay? Yep. When you take a square root of a fraction, it means square root of when you take square root of this 9 over 13, the implication is what? Root 9 over root 13. So that's what we have done there. And that's the end of that question. That's the end of that question. So let's see solution to those two questions. Let's see solution to those questions. Number one, we've been given this, that x is this value, okay, and want to simplify. A squared minus s squared. It's very simple. That will be a squared. We have an expression for x, which will be s squared. That will be a squared, and then cos squared theta. If you square this, you have two items. It's a product. So it will affect the first one, it will affect the second one. So that will be a squared and then cos theta squared. So you have this. Okay, then you can factorize your a. So a squared is equal to what? 1 minus what? 1 minus cos squared theta. And then don't forget a squared will now be equal to, this is what? Sine squared theta. So that's your answer for that one. Okay. Yeah, the second one, we square over a square. Okay, that will be equal to 1 minus. We have the value for x. That's a cos theta squared, s squared, all over a squared. Okay, and this will give us 1 minus a squared cos squared theta all over a squared. Okay, so a squared we cancel out. then we have 1 minus cos squared theta. And that will give us 1 minus cos squared theta is what? Is sine squared theta. Okay, so that's that on. And then don't forget the exponent of 5 over 2. So that will be 5 over 2. 5 over 2. So 1 minus x squared over a squared to the power of 5 over 2 will be this. So which means we are having this one, sine theta. We have sine theta. We have sine theta to the power 2. And we also have another one, 5 over 2. So these two we cancel out. So we just have sine 5 theta. So that's our answer to that question. Okay. If you are from the comment section, please you can put forward your questions, and we're going to respond to those questions as fast as possible. And if you're just watching this channel, want to plead with you to subscribe to this channel so that you keep track of the channel. There's any new upload, you get notifications. Okay, and also please invite your friends. So what we want to do, what we are in this kind of questions, what will happen is that we have to find a way of turning this expression to targets. So what do you do in that case? This is sine. Okay, and how can I turn sine to tan? So I have to divide through by what? By cos square theta, because each of them has a square. So 6 solution, 6 cos square theta plus 2 sine square theta equal to 5. I'll make this one equation star. I've already explained that what we want to get is to get tangents. And the only way we can get tangent in this expression is to divide through by what? By cos. So this one over cos we generate the tangents. Okay? So divide through by what? Cos squared theta. So and that will give me 6 here. And then plus 2 sine squared theta over cos squared theta equal to 5 over cos squared theta. Okay, so by so doing, I have 6 plus 2 tan squared theta equal to this one over cos is sec, so that'll be 5 sec squared theta. Okay, so with that now, I think it's showing up. Then don't forget that we are aware that 1 plus tan squared theta is sec squared theta. So anywhere I see sec now, I'm going to put this expression there. Okay, that will be 6 plus 2 tan squared theta equal to 5. 5 into brackets sec squared theta is 1 plus tan squared theta. Okay, so then let's do the expansion. So that will be equal to 6 plus 2 tan squared theta, and then 5 times 1, that's 5, plus 5 tan squared theta. Okay, let's try to bring all the tangents together, all the tan together, and bring the cosine to the other side. So we have 2 here. Okay, 2 tan squared theta. This one, let's go to the other side. It's plus, become negative 5 tan squared theta equal to 5. This 6, let's move to the other side. It's plus. So when you go to the other side, it becomes minus 6. Okay? So, and when you have tan squared theta, so what you just have, we are just subtracting the coefficient. 2 minus 5, that's minus 3 tan squared theta. And if you want to do it that way, you can factorize the tan squared theta there. Okay, and that will be 2 minus 5. And that's minus 3 times tan squared theta equal to minus 1. So this minus will cancel. Then we have tan squared theta equal to 1 over 3. 1 over 3. And that is what We are told to do. That's what we are told to do. So, and that is done. And that is done. That is done. Okay, that is done. So, I think there is no. It's just the thing we just need is just that when you are told to show something. Okay, from the given information, you have to look at it. What can I do to have what they are asking to do? So in this particular place, what can we do? How can we turn this expression to tangents? Okay, and the best way to do that is to divide it by what? By cos squared theta, because sine over cos generates tangents. Okay, and that's what we have done in that this question. Let's go for more questions. Yeah, we have these questions. And if you look at the questions, you realize that the only way we can solve this question is to start on the left hand side. If you start on the right hand side, you can't get it. You can't. You can't. So you have to start on the complicated side so that you can get the less complicated one. So let's start on the left hand side. So what we are going to do in this case is for us to find the LCM, the common factor of that question, and that will be equal to 1 plus sine theta over cos theta over cos theta. 1 plus sine theta times cos theta. So that's that. Then in that case now, this and this cancel. You have this one, cos squared theta times what? Times this one. So that's cos squared theta. This and this cancel. You have this one. So plus 1 plus sine theta times numerator, that's squared. We have cos squared theta plus, this will be 1 plus 2 sine theta plus sine squared theta all over 1 plus sine theta into bracket cos theta. Okay, and don't forget this one. We want to expand this one to be a squared, 1 squared, and then 2 times ab sine theta, then plus b squared sine squared theta. Okay, so and don't forget that this one and this one is 1. So 1 plus 1, that's 2. So I'm having 2 plus 2 sine theta all over sine theta all over 1 plus sine theta all over times cos theta. Here, I can factorize, take the 2 out, and that will be equal to 1 plus sine theta all over 1 plus sine theta, and then cos theta. So this one and this one cancel out, so we have 2 over cos theta. Okay, and that's 2 times 1 over cos theta. And that's what? 1 over cos is sec, and that's what? 2 sec theta. And that's what we are told to do. Done. Okay? Please, if you are new on this channel, the only favor you can do for me is for you to subscribe to this channel. Okay? And it's not even a favor, because you're also benefiting. Okay, and you are going to benefit more. And as you once you subscribe, you get notification of new updates. Okay, so please subscribe to this channel so as to be notified. Subscribe. Okay, the best time to do it is now.